Hello everyone. I'm back with my new project. So, you are familiar with verbal communication. It is when two or more people communicate through words, right? But imagine, what if we could communicate through music? What if we could convey our messages in musical notes like those of piano? Sounds interesting, right? Introducing Swar, my latest project. Swar is a CLI tool that can convert text messages into musical notes of piano. It can convert text files, markdown files, documents, as well as source code files such as Python, C, JavaScript, and you can also listen to their musical versions. Let's give a try. After installing, you can use the commands in the terminal. When you type Swar, it will give the introduction about the project. Now, if you want to convert a text message into musical notes, we will use the command Swar musicify -t for text, and then we will give the message. Hello, it's me. Additionally, you can also give name to the output file with this option. Let's give name as intro, and then we will use one more option as ms. Ms stands for musical sheet. So when we use this option, it will generate a musical sheet for the piano notes. Let's click enter. This command will generate a MIDI file. MIDI stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface, which is a standard file for storing the musical data. Now let's listen to it. We will use the command swar play, and then we will give the name of output file. Here, intro. Wow. Did you also notice the tool presses the last key of sentence for a long duration, marking its end? Now let's look at the musical sheet. So this is the PNG file which is generated. In musical sheet, the message would look like this. Now, we will try with a Python file. This is a simple Python file with a small code. Now we will convert it into its musical version. We will use the command swar musicify -f for file, and then we will give the path of file. It's hello.py. When you don't use the option of output, it will by default generate a swar.mid file. So let's listen to it. So, this is how your Python file would sound like in piano's musical notes. Looking ahead, I'm planning to build a hardware device using Raspberry Pi, microphone, and other components. This device will receive the musical signals, interpret them, and display the original message. Imagine like transmitting a message from one device to another, but through musical medium. It's pretty cool, right? You can also try Swar on your device by installing it from this GitHub URL. Do share your thoughts and valuable feedback. Thank you.